Hello, my name is Nazma Muhammad, and today I'll be showing you how to install Defold on Ubuntu, the version 16.04 plus. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to Defold, Linux installations. Then you can click on installation that's default. After that, you're going to click go to the default download page. Wait a second. Then you're going to click on download for Ubuntu 16.04 plus app. And what's that going to do is that it's going to send Defold to your files, and then you're going to click on downloads. And it's going to have this extension. This extension right here. And what you're going to do is that you can cut off all this and you're just going to leave default.zip. Why you're going to cut off that is that's going to make it easier to unzip so you don't have to type in all this stuff. It's unnecessary. So after that, you're just going to leave with this default.zip. And what you're going to do is that you're going to go into your terminal and click default. Default.zip. Then you're going to go behind that. And then you're going to click in type in unzip. What that's going to do is going to unzip all your files and stuff. And once that is done, you are going to go to CD downloads. You're going to put in CD default. And then you're going to have ./default. And what that's going to do is going to run default for you, so it should be here in a second. And there you have it. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope for you to subscribe and like my channel and this video. And if you want any more videos like this, please let me know.